A very good morning to you, children. How are you all? I hope you are enjoying this winter season which has just begun. But at the same time, just to remind you that it is very, very important that you take care of yourselves due to the spread of the pandemic. And for that, the golden things which you have to follow, that is use of face masks, maintaining hand hygiene, and maintaining social distancing, that is avoid going to large gatherings. So I hope you are taking good care of yourselves. Now children, the poem which we are going to study today is A Fine Day, which is written by Catherine Mansfield, and it is just describing the end of winter season and the onset of the summer season. In winter season, we know everything is so dull. Sometimes the sun even does not shine for many, many days, and we just forget about sun also. And when the winter season ends and the summer season is just beginning, that time when we see the sun coming out, it gives us a welcome relief. जब विंटर सीजन एंड करता है और समर सीजन स्टार्ट होता है, उस टाइम पे जो सनशाइन होती है वो हमें बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल, बहुत ही सूदिंग लगती है. और जैसे ही हम सन को निकलते हुए देखते हैं, वी एंजॉय दैट डे एंड वी से दैट इट इज अ फाइन डे. सो इसी तरह की कुछ फीलिंग्स जो हैं, दे हैव बीन डिस्क्राइब्ड इन दिस पोएम. फर्स्ट आई विल रिसाइट द पोएम एंड देन यू कैन नो द meaning of the poem. So let us begin. After all the rain, the sun shines on hill and grassy mead. Fly into the garden, child. You are very glad indeed. So in this paragraph, the poet is describing that now the rain has ended and the sun has come out. It is shining brightly on the hills and the grassy meadows. Grassy meadows means the fields. Now the sun is shining brightly over the fields. Fly into the garden. Now the poet is telling the child that you should go to the garden. Now is the time when you can go to the garden and you can play. And obviously when children play, they feel glad. Glad means happy. So when children get an opportunity to play, they feel happy. सो इस पहले पैराग्राफ में जो पोएट है वो एक बच्चे को, एक चाइल्ड को ये बोल रही है कि रेनी सीजन खत्म हो चुका है. नाउ द सन हैज शाइनिंग ब्राइटली. सो आपको गार्डन में जाकर खेलना चाहिए, बिकॉज गार्डन में खेलने से ही बच्चे हैप्पी, ग्लैड या खुश रहते हैं. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पैरा. फॉर द डेज हैव बीन सो डल. Oh, so special, dark and drear, that you told me Mr. Sun has forgotten we live here. So he says that in the past time, अभी तो fine day है, लेकिन उससे पहले what happened? The days were very dull. Special, dark and drear means they were very gloomy. Dull days थे, बिल्कुल कुछ भी मजा नहीं था उन days में, because there was no sun. ऐसा लग रहा था कि Mr. Sun has forgotten we live here. Mr. Sun हमें भूल चुके हैं. He has forgotten कि यहाँ पर हम भी रहते हैं और हमें भी सनलाइट की जरूरत है. Just meaning to say that sun has not shined from so many days. On the lilac tree a bird, singing first a little note. Then a burst of happy song bubbles in his lifted throat. So there is a small bird. जैसे ही sun निकलता है, एक small bird, lilac. Lilac is the name of a flower. So एक flowering tree के ऊपर a bird, it starts singing. Firstly, it sings very little note. पहले वो bird बहुत धीरे से, small सा, थोड़ी सी आवाज निकाल के एक अच्छा सा song गाती है. But then she starts singing in her melodious voice. धीरे धीरे जब वेदर अच्छा हो जाता है, everything is bright and sunny, so then that bird starts singing a very, very happy song with bubbles in his lifted throat. Means now that bird has opened its throat. अब अपना throat मतलब गला, अब अपना गला पूरी तरह से खोल कर उस bird ने गाना गाना शुरू कर लिया. Earlier it was singing very small notes. Oh, the sun, the comfy sun. This the song that you must sing. Thank you for the birds, the flowers. Thank you, sun, for everything. Now, in the last paragraph, the poet is thanking sun because whatever greenery, whatever natural things we see around us are just all because of Mr. Sun. So he's saying that thank you, sun. Sun, the comfy means comfortable. Because sun ke nikalte hi, they started feeling comfortable. So that is why he's saying कि sun ने हमें comfortable कर दिया. और sun की वजह से ही हम birds का song सुन पा रहे हैं. So basically he's thanking sun कि sun की वजह से ही birds गा रहे हैं. sun की वजह से ही flowers bloom कर रहे हैं. So sun is the source of energy on this earth. So that is why sun should be thanked for all the natural things. So I hope you have understood this poem. It is just basically telling us that without sun, life is very difficult to survive on earth. जो भी natural things हैं हमारे आसपास, जो भी beautiful things हमें देखने को मिलती हैं, सबकी सब because of sun है. So the poet has written very beautiful poem describing a fine day, that is a sunny day when the sun is shining brightly, when the birds are singing, and when there are flowers all around. So I hope you have understood the poem, and as you all know, you have to learn it for the recitation. So start learning, and if you have any problem, we can discuss in the online class. Till then, have a nice day.